Hello, today we will learn text orientation, or you can say text rotation in a cell. So there are, in the home menu there is an option named orientation. So using this option you can rotate your text as per given option. So first option is angle counterclockwise. If I click on this, see, my text is rotation basis on the angle counterclockwise. The next option, angle clockwise. This is angle clockwise. So vertical text, this is vertical. So as this text is not fit in a cell, so it's breaked. So if I just decrease the font size, see, it's text orientation. Let's increase the font size. And so another option is rotate text up. If I click this, see, the next option, rotate text down, just reverse. Now there is a customize option as well. If you click format cell alignment, it will go open a format cell window. Now here in the orientation section you can rotate the text basis on the degree, or you can select the degree from here. Like I want to make 45, so just 45 degree, see, 45 degree. So you can, and if I select, if I want to make the normal alignment, so just click 0 degree. So using this option you can rotate your text in a cell box, or you can say orientation. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.